Right, welcome back to my channel. I'm Matt, aka Twigs T4. So today we're going to be addressing the problem with why I had the door card off on my passenger side. So basically it was the actuator pump for the central locking, and that had failed. And it turned out it had shorted some of the connections. So I'm going to show you now of how I went about fixing it and what I had to do. Drastic actions is why I haven't put the door card back on. So let's get straight into that. So here's a door card. So I had to firstly pull this bit off and prise this open. It's all because I couldn't open the door. So you can't take the door panel off without opening the door. So I had to break that off, and then as you can see, with a hole saw, chomped loads of holes out of it. Got my hand all the way down to where the actuator was. I had to manually undock it. I was able to open the passenger door. I think I have a short clip of me trying to open the door, so I may put that in now. So I've got a second actuator, a second-hand one, which, to be fair, I should have just bought a brand new one because they're not exactly expensive. And it's a 4-pin actuator for the passenger door. The sliding door has a 3-pin actuator. Basically, so I took the actuator apart. I don't know if it's going to focus. Are you going to focus? No, it's not. But there's 4 pins here, and that's where it's corroded. You can see there's corrosion in there. But yeah, oh, there we go. Yeah, it all corroded. I mean, this one doesn't even have a pin in the middle. It was corroded so bad. But this was a second-hand one that I got, and I fitted it. It didn't work at all. At least my other one was kind of working, and it just wouldn't go all the way up. So I took it all apart. I cleaned all of these bits, these connections up. I put it all back together again, and the actuator works. But this is where it's located, right at the bottom of the door. So it's just 2 Phillips screws. So we'll take it out, take the 4-pin plug off, and I cleaned it all up and put it all back together. So now I'm just going to tiger seal this back on, and then we'll refit the door trim. Right, here we go with the tiger seal. My glove is on, because it's always messy, isn't it? Always messy doing tiger seal. Right, where do I want to put some? I think I'm going to put a little bead along here. Right, so just put a little bit there, yeah. Well, one thing's for sure, this is not coming off again. Unless the actuator fails again. In which case it may be a new door card. Well, hopefully that is enough. I don't want to go crazy with it. Let's just take it off and see if it is actually making contact. Well, it's made contact in a few places, yeah. So I would say I need to put some more around here, because that where else does it need more? Oh, it hasn't made any contact along there. It's a little bit there, so let's have a big splodge there, another splodge, another splodge. Yeah, that's good enough. Right, let's get this door panel back on the door. Right, so if you've been following my channel for a while, you'd know that the door trim's been off quite a while now. I cannot remember what goes on where. So I've got all my bits and trim, door handle, everything in a bag here. Right, let's get it all back on. Electric windows, speaker. Nice, nice. Door handle. got a standard speaker still, but we'll be upgrading these soon. We'll be making some different pods. Alright, so here's the test. All done. Well, this is all done now. Hopefully you find this a little bit informative. Make sure you hit that subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you very shortly because my alloy wheels have arrived. Tyres are being fitted in a couple of days' time, and then I will hopefully have a video up next weekend of the new tyres, what sizes they are, the fitments. I'm only getting some cheap tyres on there for now, but they're all load rated, just to make sure everything's cool and works well. So make sure you ring that bell and subscribe. Liking it will also help with the YouTube algorithm. A lot of help would be appreciated with subscribing and liking. And I'll see you all very soon. Thanks for watching.